Step 1. Open the box and lay out all components in an organized manner. Raise and secure the hood with the support rod. Following the video, thread a flexible wire through the designated factory openings. Loop it around the connector at the end of the wiring harness and gently pull the connector through. Then, arrange the 3 connectors at the top of the wiring harness in their designated positions. Step 2. Confirm the installation location for the amber marker lights. Connect each light's plug to the corresponding harness connector. Then press the light assembly firmly into its designated factory location. Repeat this process for all 3 amber lights. Step 3. Pull the remaining wiring harness through the opening and remove the temporary wire. As shown in the video, disconnect the original vehicle connector and plug it into the corresponding socket of the extension harness. Then plug the other end of the extension harness into the original vehicle socket. Connect the amber light harness to the extension harness. Step 4. Secure the wiring harness using zip ties. Attach wire clips to the zip ties. Remove the adhesive backing and fasten the harness along the designated routing path. Trim any excess zip tie ends. Finally, close the vehicle hood to complete the installation.